Good morning, guys. It's Sunday, beautiful day in November. Cut cups this morning. Today we're going to be working on my Jetta, fixing part of the exhaust. But for right now, get us some clips of me setting up this morning, a little behind the scenes action of the morning of a golf course, and continue on with our video. Alright guys, we're back. Got this package from ECS Tuning right here. What it is, I'll show you. It's a nice heavy duty exhaust clamp. Volkswagen puts these on their cars from the factory with a little bit less durable clamps. So mine has rotted out and I have an exhaust leak. So today we'll be replacing that. Real quick, I'll show you the budget fix, and then we'll see how good she works. Throw up on jack stands, and we'll get going. So what I've done is pretty much got some exhaust tape and some exhaust clamps. Got the pipes as close as I could together. I'm going to cut off, oh, it looks like I'm missing bolts. I'm going to cut off the tape, push the exhaust pipes together, put the new sleeve on, tighten it up, should be good to go. Alright guys, hopefully you were able to see all that. Got the new exhaust sleeve on, got the exhaust as set as I could. I have a rear muffler delete on this thing, budget style. Didn't make a difference in sound, but you know, it is what it is. We're going to do first startup, make sure there's no leaks, and hope for the best. Sounds good. Rev it up a bit. All right, I'm pretty pleased with that. Let's get her back down and driving, and we'll take her out on the open road. Also guys, it's that time of year, switching over to de-icer with rain off, windshield wiper fluid. Boom. Just like that, we're ready for winter. So once again, big shout out to ECS Tuning. They had the part $12 on the website. If you're having this problem with an MK5, definitely worth the money, worth the time, easy. 2 jack stands. I was able to get it done in a half hour. Another job done. We'll get to more content soon. Budget Ridaz for life.